first thing you need to do is be safe. Disconnect the appliance or turn off the breaker to avoid electric shock. Hello, today we're going to be working on a KitchenAid top and bottom refrigerator. The model number is on the display. And the problem that we having is that it's not keeping up with the temperature. Sometimes it works, sometimes it stops working all of a sudden. So we gonna go ahead and replace the temperature control thermostat 90% of the time. If it's not keeping up with the temperature, is because the temperature control thermostat is not doing the job. And in this model, this is a common problem. That is our temperature control thermostat right there, and that is the part that we are gonna replace. Now we're gonna go ahead and start by removing this harness. Stick a screwdriver, release the tab, and it will come right off. Next, we're gonna go ahead and start removing the temperature control by releasing those clamps. Then we're gonna remove the wiring. Try to do it by hand or use a screwdriver or a needle nose pliers to be able to remove the terminals. Next thing, we're gonna go ahead and take it apart to be able to reuse our plastic knob. That's how it looks. That's how it comes out, and it only goes one way, so there's no way to get it wrong. That's how it looks. Just checking everything. This is the new part, and that is the part number. As you see right there, it's not the best shot because the flashlight was very bright, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the part number on the description of this video. Now we're gonna go ahead and open the box. And here is our new temperature control thermostat. Now it doesn't come with the plastic tubing, so we're gonna go ahead and remove the plastic tubing from the old thermostat and put it on the new thermostat. Now this is a short one, but most of the time I put a little bit of WD-40 to make it go in easier. In this case, I struggle a little bit, but it was not necessary. As you see, it went all the way in, just like the other one. Now we're gonna go ahead and put it in our plastic knob. And as I was saying, it only goes one way. It has a small end, and the other one is thicker, so There's no way to get around. I apologize for the shooting, but I'm trying to do this video by myself and it's a little complicated. Now just see, like I was saying in my other videos, try to take pictures of everything before you remove it. As you see, that went into a clamp and the other side is in a slug. So just put the tubing exactly like it was, because otherwise you're gonna be getting wrong temperature readings and you don't want that to happen. After you see that everything is in place, you have to put the knob right on the right track. Just put the setting in 0 and you will be able to get it right when you put your thermostat on the off position and your front knob in 0. After you get it right, just put your panel back up and go ahead and reinstall the 1/4 screws back in place, like so. Do the one on the left. Make sure everything is on the right place. And this job is pretty much done. Go ahead and install your light bulbs. Go ahead and set the temperature at recommendation settings. As you see, it says recommendation settings, and that's where you want to put it. If it doesn't say recommendation settings, just put it right in between the first setting and the last setting, right in between. For example, if you have setting maximum of 6, just put it on 3. That will be the recommendation setting right in the middle. Now, while we're here, we're gonna go ahead and try to clean the coils because the coils were dirty. Just remove the filter, remove the front panel. As you see, the coils are very filthy, and that's how you remove your filter. That's how you're gonna remove your panel, and just use a vacuum or a broom. That's all the stuff that came out. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you in any way, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future videos. Thanks for watching.